A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for crown. R is for rabbit. S is for starfish. T is for tortoise. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Allah Hafiz.